Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: universal garage door opener, remote keyless entry, seats heated driver and front passenger, rear wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.